Now let's talk about arrays. Arrays are the primary way to store an ordered list of data. They can hold any type, string, number, even other arrays or objects. Here is an array. So we access elements using their index, which always start at 0. If you have 3 items, the indices are 0, 1 and 2. Let's go to our IDE and start create an array. So I will create an array called let colors. Here is the array brackets and I will add the colors red, green, blue, yellow. Here is the array and we have colors of the array. So to access or to get array data, we can use it index. So I will console log and here I will add it like colors and brackets. So I will check the 0 index. So as I told before, arrays index start from 0. Here is the 0, here is the first, second, third. Okay, now if I check this, we can see result as red. And also array has methods. So let's create another console log to check the full array. So I will print full array like this. So here you can see the array. So in here 0 index is red, first index is green and third index is the yellow one. Okay, to find length of this array we can add array name dot length and it's 4 because we have 4 items inside this array. And if we want, we can push items inside to this array. To do that, I will remove this part and here I will remove this console too, and here I will just say colors dot push. Here I will push a color, let's say brown. And now if we check the array, here we have brown, and also we can pull items from the array. So I will comment this to full item colors dot pop. And now if we check this, we don't see the yellow because we pop the last item. So colors dot pop will remove the last item in the array, and also we have shift. Let's add colors dot shift. This will remove the first item on the array. And also I will comment this, and also we have unshift. And this unshift will add item for the beginning of the array, brown like this, and you can see it added brown to the array. Also there are many methods that you can use with arrays, so read the documentation and you will find more methods.